Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lizzie here. If you're new, please do make sure to subscribe. Right guys, I've got a kitchen reset video for you guys. My kitchen does not always look like this, just to clarify. But anyways, I've got a kitchen reset for you guys. Yeah, and I decided to do a deep clean because baby girl was sleeping and I had the time. And thank God that she was sleeping, because guys, this took me a good few hours to do. Like, anyone that deep cleans knows that deep clean does not take like 50 minutes or anything like that. It takes longer, and trust me, it takes few hours. But like I said, thank God baby girl was sleeping, because it gave me that time to do what I wanted to do. This year I have the inspiration to just redecorate. I don't know if anyone feels like that. Let me know in the comment down below if you feel like that. Like, I just have this desire to just redecorate the whole house. Starting with like baby girl's room, and I do think I'll start that in the next few months. Maybe by the next half term, like the next holiday we have, which is not until February. So maybe February half term, I'll sort out baby girl's room and redecorate her room. Let me know if you guys want to see like videos of that, as I sort of redecorate the rooms in the house. Let me know if you guys want to see videos on them in the comments down below. But yeah guys, what have you done this year? Have you done anything to sort of reset, even if it's just reset your mind, reset your routine, whatever? What have you done this year to reset? But yeah, this is something that I started with to reset, to clear my mind. It gave me the space to sort of be in my own thoughts and, you know, reset. Some people, it might not be calming to them, but it was calming for me to just, you know, be in my own space and to clean. But yeah guys, I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do make sure to comment down below and give it a thumbs up.